So our next topic is dimensions. Dimension is what? It is a power or integer number which is raised or applied on any fundamental quantity and which defined the unit of derived quantities. It is also established the relation between fundamental quantities and derived quantities, and that relation which is defined an expression, and that expression is known as a dimensional formula or dimensional equations. So that topic we will discuss our next. So here is example. We know that, guys, speed is equal to distance upon time, and SI unit of distance meter and time is second. So meter into second inverse. So here the power of meter 1, power of second -1. So 1 is the dimension of meter and -1 is the dimension of second. Similarly, we have another example, force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. But we know, guys, mass SI unit it's kg and acceleration meter per second square. So kg into meter into second to the power -2. So here dimension of kilogram is 1, dimension of meter is also 1, but dimension of second is -2. So this power is known as a dimension of any fundamental units or quantities. And so, my dear student, our next topic is a dimension formula. So dimension formula, guys, it is the expression which defines the relation of derived quantity to the fundamental quantity with the suitable dimension is known as a dimensional formula, and its expression x is any physical quantity. It can be fundamental or it can be derived, and its expression m whose dimension a, l whose dimension b, t whose dimension c. We can also use in place of abc x, y, these are variable terms, m which stand mass, l which stand length, t which stand time. For example, guys, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass whose SI unit kg, acceleration whose SI unit meter per second square. We can also write this one. So it's dimension formula of force m. It stand mass. So look here, guys, kg is the SI unit of mass and which occurs 1 times. So we can raise here power 1. So m stand mass and its SI unit kg, and kg occurs 1 times, so we can apply here 1. Now next one, length. Its SI unit meter and meter occurs 1 time, so we also apply here 1. Second which is the unit of time, and here second occurs 2 times but in negative term, so we apply here 2. So we can also write m to the power 1 which is not source, l to the power 1 and t to the power -2. So this one is the dimension formula of force. Similarly, density of any matter. So you know guys, density is equal to mass upon volume. So mass, whose SI unit kg, volume, its SI unit meter cube. So we can also write kg into meter to the power minus 2. Now dimension formula, mass and its SI unit kg, and here kg occurs one time, so mass, its dimension formula dimension 1. M, stand, length occurs 3 times in negative terms, so we apply here, and time which does not occur, so we apply here 0. So mass occurs one time, length occurs 3 times in negative terms, and time which does not occur, so the dimension formula of density is equal to m1 L to the power minus 3 and T 0.